My name is Zhou Xusheng, the manager of international business of Wuhan Qingfa Heshang Seed. We are one of the seed exporter from China. We have our own research facilities in Pakistan. Today it's a very great honor to visit the Green Gold Seed Company. So we have very good research R&D facility, especially their ISTA laboratory management and system is very impressive. So we look forward to have some opportunity to cooperation with this company. Thank you.
To this post and content session.
Want to try some new samples?
We have Mohammed here, and he is basically doing the PTG test zoning solution.